Hey, marvelous mathematicians, it's Miss Dodd here, and today we're going to be talking about patterns. You may know some things about patterns, but today we're going to be talking about patterns, what you call them, and different shapes. So let's get started. Let's check out this pattern. So we have green circle, blue square, green circle, blue square. What do you think comes next? Green circle. Then we have blue square, and finally it is green circle. This type of pattern would be called an A-B pattern because it changes every other. And when we do A-B patterns, it's really that the A represents all of the green circles, and then the B is all of the blue squares. So if I said to you, could you make a different type of A-B pattern? You might do something like this. I might do a red circle, then a black circle, then a red circle. Then what comes next? A black circle. This is also an A-B pattern, even though we're using different shapes. Let's check this one out. Yellow circle, blue, green square, blue triangle, yellow circle, green square. Next is the blue triangle. Good job. Then we have the yellow circle. And finally, we have the green square. So now, let's try to figure out what kind of a pattern this is. The first one was an A-B pattern. This one's a little different because each new shape has a different letter name. So we have A, then B. Now, if we were to call this one A again, it should be the same as that circle, but it's not. So we go to our next letter, which is C. A, B, C. Now we're back to A. So this, my friends, would be called an A, B, C pattern. Now we can make our own pattern. So I'm going to give it a try here, and you're going to give it a try when you do your independent work. So I might do yellow circle, red square. Yellow circle. What comes next? Red square. What would this type of pattern be called? So A, and now here's another A because that's the same shape. A, B pattern. And then A, B. So this is an A, B pattern. And that was the one I chose to make. There would be so many different types of patterns that you could make using these shapes. And you're going to get a chance to make your own pattern. This page is in the papers that you have for today. Now I want to show it to you. So we have over here, these are different types of shapes. This is a hexagon, a trapezoid, hexagon, a trapezoid. In this box, these are all A-B patterns. In this box, I drew a hexagon. And then what would come next? A trapezoid. Now, friends, sometimes it's hard to draw shapes. Sometimes it can be really tricky. So what I would do is I would just try my best. See if I can make the shapes in the patterns to continue the patterns for these A-B patterns. Then, after you try this page by filling in the missing shapes there, you're going to flip over. And here's where you can do whatever type of pattern you want. So I love to make flowers, so I might do a different type of flower pattern. I might even color them in and do red flower, blue flower, green flower, red flower, blue flower, green flower. Or I might do different toys, little pictures of those. Or I might do shapes again. Or I could do hearts and stars. any type of pattern you want on the back here would be good to go. So this is your work for today. The one thing I want to remind you about is today you should have tried to work on your calendar routines. So if you didn't get to do that page yet for the calendar routines, I would do that now. So remember, you can either watch the video to remind you how to do the calendar routines, or you can just start if you feel like you remember how to do them. All right, friends, great job today. I will see you all again soon and have some fun making some patterns. Bye.